Hello everyone. If you want your Anthurium to stay healthy, produce more buds, bloom more beautifully, and keep its flowers fresh longer on the stem, then today's video will be a very helpful secret because I'm going to share a super simple home care method that can help your plant grow stronger, keep its leaves more beautiful, and make its blooms last longer every day. With just a few gentle and easy steps, you can help your Anthurium absorb better, grow more steadily, and keep its fresh beauty. So stay until the end of the video and discover this simple method with me that can bring truly wonderful results. When you eat bananas, don't throw the peels away too quickly, because banana peels still contain many useful minerals, especially potassium, an important element for plants that helps them grow stronger, supports healthier new shoots, and contributes to better flowering. First, I slice the banana peels into thin pieces and place them into a jar, because this helps the nutrients in the peels release more easily when soaked in hot water. Next, I add a piece of bread because it contains components that can support the organic breakdown process, helping the soaked mixture work more effectively. Which country are you watching this video from? I'm very happy to welcome you to Flower Care Garden. So please leave a comment below and let me know. It's wonderful that we can connect and talk with each other from all around the world. Then, I add 1 spoonful of sugar to provide nourishment for beneficial microorganisms so they can develop better during the soaking process. Now, I pour about 1,000 milliliters of boiling water into the jar. Then stir gently so the ingredients can blend evenly together. After that, I close the lid and let it steep for about 2 hours so the components in the mixture have time to gradually dissolve into the water. After soaking for enough time, I stir the mixture once more so the dissolved components become more even. Then I begin filtering out the residue to obtain a clearer and cleaner liquid solution. I use a strainer or a thin cloth to completely remove the solids, which helps make the filtered solution smoother and more convenient to use on the plant. Finally, I add about 1,000 milliliters of clean water to dilute the solution, making the concentration gentler, easier to use, and more suitable for watering the plant. Method 1. I use a soft cotton pad soaked in a solution made from banana peels, bread, and sugar, then gently wipe the leaves, stems, and petioles of the Anthurium so the plant can absorb nutrients gradually, naturally, and more safely. Wiping this solution onto the plant does more than just remove dust from the leaves, because it also provides gentle organic compounds from the natural mixture, helping the leaf surface become cleaner, fresher, and better prepared for steady metabolic activity. When dust, residue, and long built-up impurities are removed, the stomata on the leaves become more open, which helps the plant breathe better, photosynthesize more efficiently, and maintain a healthier condition, especially for plants that are growing slowly or showing signs of weakness. At the same time, gently wiping the leaves with the banana peel, bread, and sugar solution allows the plant to take in a mild amount of nutrients through the leaf surface, which is especially helpful for anthuriums with weak roots, poor absorption, or slow blooming, because these plants need gradual support to recover step by step. When the leaves become healthier and nutrient absorption becomes more stable, the plant gains a stronger foundation to support the roots and stems and encourage faster flower stalk formation, helping the blooms grow stronger, last longer, and open more evenly over time. You should only apply it twice a week so the plant has time to absorb the nutrients and rebalance more effectively. Method 2. I pour part of the solution made from banana peels, bread, and sugar into a spray bottle. Then mist it lightly and evenly over the leaves and leaf stalks of the anthurium, so the solution can spread in a thin and even layer across the plant's surface. Spraying the properly diluted solution is a gentle support step that helps clean fine dust from the leaves, while also allowing the leaf surface to become more open and support the plant's physiological activity more effectively. When the solution is sprayed as a fine mist, the moisture forms an even layer on the leaf surface without causing too much standing water, which helps the plant stay fresher and allows the leaves to absorb light better after being cleaned. The soaked solution from banana peels, bread, and sugar, once diluted, is not a strong fertilizer, but mainly serves to support leaf surface cleaning and provide a small amount of dissolved organic matter, helping the plant receive gentler care, especially when it is weak or growing slowly. When the leaves and leaf stalks stay clean, the plant can photosynthesize and respire more steadily, which supports overall growth, helps maintain healthy foliage, improves root development, and creates more favorable conditions for forming new shoots and flowers over time. Method 3. I use the remaining banana peel, bread, and sugar solution to lightly water the entire growing medium, allowing the nutrients to soak in slowly so the roots can absorb them naturally and gently. When the solution is spread evenly through the medium, the dissolved organic nutrients gradually seep in and help the roots function better, especially young roots that are actively growing, or roots that are recovering after a weak period. The combination of banana peels, bread, and sugar also enriches the growing medium and creates a more favorable environment for the roots to absorb water and minerals more steadily without causing strong stress. I only water lightly instead of soaking it too heavily, because this helps maintain balanced moisture in the medium and reduces waterlogging, which is one of the most common causes of weak, slow-growing, or rotting anthurium roots. After that, I soak the growing medium in the solution for about 10 minutes so the nutrients have enough time to penetrate deeper, helping the roots absorb more effectively and allowing the plant to recover more strongly. After soaking the growing medium in the solution for about 10 minutes, I gently lift the pot out and let it drain naturally before moving on to the next step. Method 4, where I use a soft cotton cloth to dry the entire surface of the Anthurium leaves. Because this is a very important step to reduce the risk of leaf rot and prevent fungal problems during care. When water stays on the leaves for too long, especially around the leaf joints, edges, or along the veins, it creates a very favorable environment for fungi and bacteria to grow, which can cause rot, brown spots, or soft damaged areas over time. That is why using a soft cloth to dry the leaves right after care helps remove all excess moisture, keeps the leaf surface cleaner and better ventilated, and reduces long-lasting dampness, which is one of the main causes of fungal problems. Anthuriums do enjoy humidity, but they do not tolerate prolonged wetness on the leaves. So even a simple step like drying the leaves can help the plant stay healthier, cleaner, and far less vulnerable to disease later on. With just a few simple ingredients and a few gentle care steps, you can help your Anthurium grow greener, healthier, and bloom more beautifully every day. Thank you for watching until the end, and if you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe so you do not miss more easy, natural, and effective plant care tips in the next videos.